In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix lines not showing in PDF in AutoCAD. If you've exported a drawing to PDF and some lines are missing, it's often a quick layer setting that needs attention. We'll walk through the key checks inside the layer properties so your lines show up clearly the next time you create a PDF. Start by typing Layer in the command line and press Enter. This opens the Layer Properties Manager, which is the control center for visibility, plotting, and the appearance of everything in your drawing. You'll see a list of all the layers used in your file, along with columns that control their behavior. Look along the columns for a small printer icon. That's the plot column. If the printer icon for a layer is turned off, anything on that layer won't appear in your PDF, even if it looks fine on screen. Find the layers that your missing lines are on, then click the printer icon to enable plotting for those layers. When the printer icon is on, the layer is allowed to plot to PDF. While you're here, make sure the layer isn't hidden from view. Check that it's not turned off and not frozen. If a layer is off or frozen, it won't be visible and therefore won't plot. Turn the layer on and thaw it so it's visible in your drawing. This ensures the content is actually there to be printed when you export to PDF. Next, consider the layer color. If the layer color matches the background or blends into it, your lines may appear to be missing in the PDF even though they're there. Change the layer color to something that contrasts clearly with a white background, so the lines read well in the final document. This is especially helpful when reviewing PDFs or sharing them with others who might view them on different screens. As you review these settings, take a moment to think about which layers control the geometry that disappeared. Focusing on those layers makes the check faster and more effective. Keep in mind that enabling plotting, unfreezing, unhiding, and choosing a contrasting color are all about making sure your intention in the drawing carries through to the PDF. And there you go. With the plot icon enabled, the layer visible, and the color adjusted, your lines should appear as expected in your exported file. That's all.